All right, so you're over 40 years old, maybe you're 50, maybe you're 60, and you're investing in cryptocurrency, and you want to be responsible. I mean, maybe you have family, maybe you have kids, you have to take care of your wife, your future. But in the distance over there, you hear cries of satisfaction, of massive profits and massive gains. Because over there in the distance, there are some people investing in meme coins. And you've seen them in the charts, you've seen them do 20, 30, 50, even 100x, even more. And you're thinking to yourself, okay, I'm responsible, but maybe, just maybe I can take some of this crypto over here, put it into meme coins, become rich, and if my wife doesn't find out and she doesn't dump me and I don't get wrecked, I can actually buy a Ferrari so I can go out on weekends. That way, if my wife leaves me, I have a Ferrari. I can go out on weekends. But you don't want to get completely wrecked and you don't want your wife to kill you, so you want to be a little responsible. So in this video, I'm going to give you which meme coins I'm personally holding at the age of 40 plus, because I'm 47, so you can actually make some of those amazing sweet profits without completely getting wrecked. And we're starting right now.
Hey guys, I'm Briefly Fans. Remember, Paul is not a financial advisor, but he is good looking. Also, this is not financial advice. Please subscribe down below and check out my channel at Briefly Fans.
Hey, welcome back. My name is Paul, and if it's your first time here, this channel is all about crypto, all about cryptopreneurship, and today we're going to be talking about meme coins. But we're not just going to be talking about meme coins. We're going to be talking about if you should get into meme coins if you're 40 plus, if you're 50, 60 years old, maybe you have a family, maybe not. And if yes, which meme coins should you get in? As a matter of fact, I'm going to tell you which meme coins I am personally holding, and I'm 47, and I'm going to tell you my thought process on how to hold or which meme coins to hold so you can actually make those profits without completely getting wrecked. So when it comes to meme coins, you have to understand that 95% of the meme coins out there, the complete crap. Wait, correction. 99% of meme coins out there, the complete crap. They are nothing. They have no fundamentals. They have no utility. All they have is hype and profit taking. That's all you can do with them. And you also have to understand that a lot of times when you see these meme coins shoot up like crazy, people saying they're becoming rich, not a lot of them are. Usually the people that actually create the meme coins become rich, maybe their friends, because even though the price shoots up so high, there's no liquidity. As soon as they sell, price drops. That's why you see that generally in the markets. But not only that, it's a lot worse now than what it used to be, because now everybody and their mother, they're making meme coins. I mean, people are making meme coins. Teenagers are making meme coins. It takes less than 15 minutes to make a meme coin. So you're investing in something a teenager made in his bedroom, hoping that you will make profits. So if that's not enough to sway you, understand that whales are also making meme coins so they can take your Ethereum, so they can take your Solana, so they can take your Bitcoin, or whatever chain you're using by you buying their meme coins and them dumping on you. As a matter of fact, they're using algorithms, they're using AI, and they're just repeating meme coin creation. But there are some meme coins to hold. There are some meme coins plays that you can actually hold, make profits that actually may do very well. And we're going to talk about them in this video. So let's get started. So first up, we have Dogecoin, the king of meme coins. And this is kind of like your blue chip for your meme coin portfolio. You want to look at meme coins as a portfolio so that if meme coins go up, the narrative goes up, you're exposed to meme coins, but if you fail at a few picks, if you will, you'll still make profits from that portfolio as a whole, if that makes sense. So Dogecoin is your blue chip, your Bitcoin, so to speak, of the meme coin world. And Dogecoin is the original meme coin. It was actually developed as a joke, and the creator doesn't have any Dogecoin. He got rid of all of them. He literally said he created it as a joke. It has a huge community. It's been out since forever, and it has proof of concept. I mean, it's still around and it's going up over time. So as you can see here on the monthly chart, it's going up, it's trending up, and it looks like it's going to re-challenge 18 cents. Now, if we look at the old chart since inception here, you'll actually see that Dogecoin shot all the way up to 64 cents over here. And I do believe if we break 21 cents, which I think we will do soon, then this is going to re-challenge all-time highs at the very least. And if it breaks above, it will be blue sky breakout, price discovery. And I do see Doge going to $1, $2, even $3 by the end of this bull market. Now that we know that this is Elon Musk's favorite meme coin, Bitcoin, and there's even a chance that he will implement it on X, this can actually do very well. So Dogecoin is your blue chip. It's a hold long term. You don't have to worry too much about selling it or being on top of it all the time, seeing when to sell it. It's got liquidity, so Dogecoin is just that, your blue chip pick. Next up, we have Pepe. Now, we actually called Pepe very early. We were one of the first channels to call Pepe coin. We made massive profits with Pepe. And it had a drop, it had some drama, but the only reason it hasn't been going up, in my opinion, as much as most people expected, is that other meme coins came out after, and there was the gas fee issue on Ethereum. Even though that was a plus, that was in our advantage when it comes to meme coins. We'll talk about that in another video. Basically, Pepe didn't get the shine that it could have got. But I did say that it's going to take market share from Shiba Inu over time, and we are seeing that it's still around, still performing quite well. Now, on the monthly chart, it's not doing that well. It looks like it's hit resistance up here multiple times, but if we go to the old chart here, you will see that even though it's hit resistance, it's actually making a range over here. It's making a range, it's found support, and I wouldn't be surprised if it challenges all-time highs over here pretty soon. As soon as we have another meme coin mania, it should challenge all-time highs, break out, and go into price discovery. So Pepe coin is an alternative to Shiba Inu, even though Shiba Inu are actually trying to build utility. In other words, Ethereum is to Bitcoin what Shiba Inu is to Doge. But here we're talking about Pepe because we're talking fun, we're talking meme coins, and I do think Pepe is going to do a lot better. Not necessarily better than Shiba Inu, but a lot better than what it's currently doing right now. Then you have the Foxy token, or the Foxy meme coin, and this one is quite unique. See, Foxy is built on Linear Chain, and Linear Chain is a blockchain by MetaMask, and Foxy is MetaMask's mascot. So if you're betting on Foxy, you're not really betting on just a meme coin, but you're betting on the Linear Chain, which I think is going to do quite well long term, possibly even into the next bull market. So Foxy is actually a long-term play. Looking at the price here, we did very well since we called it. It went all the way up to 0.013 cents. Has been trending down since on the monthly here, but I do believe it's going to find support at 0.083. And if it does establish this support, or even if it goes a little bit lower, if you look at the old chart here, as long as it doesn't break under 0.0067, which I don't think it will because it's a massive support, and then under 0.0059, I do think this is going to go up and re-challenge all-time highs and go into price breakout and price discovery. I know it doesn't look like it, but just because it's a linear play, it's a chain play, I do believe this is going to do very well, and you have the opportunity to get in extremely early, in my opinion. Next up, we have Brett on Base. Now, Brett, just like Foxy, is a chain play. It's just that Foxy is on Linear Chain, but Brett is on Base, and Base is the blockchain by Coinbase. Now, Coinbase is going to onboard a lot of users before MetaMask. Even though MetaMask is the industry standard wallet, Coinbase is probably somebody's first stop, so to speak. So as soon as they see which coins are on Base, they're going to see Brett, which is their meme coin on Base. So same philosophy as Foxy here, but a different chain. Now, Brett on the monthly looks like it's finding support over here. Let's see if it actually establishes it. But generally speaking, you can see it's actually holding this range. And if it just comes up and breaks 0.19, which I believe it will, again, blue sky breakout, price discovery. But this is a very good looking chart, even though there's not a lot of price history because this is a new coin. This is actually looking very good here. Next up, we have Dog with Hat, and the uniqueness of this meme coin, I think it was the first that was just a picture, or the first one that actually took off, which was just a picture of a dog wearing a hat. That's it. Now you might say, Paul, okay, but that's classic meme. Why would I buy it? There's no chain play. There's nothing. Well, first of all, it's on Solana. So you can say it's a Solana chain play. Second of all, by price action, we've seen that it's not really dumping. People that have created it, they're not interested in dumping on you, right? So looking at the price action here, currently sitting at $2.47. If you look at the old chart, you'll see that this is also establishing a range of support here. As a matter of fact, it looks like it's doing better than Brett. So this doesn't have a long way to all-time highs, which is $4.6. That's what, about a 2x or so, or a little less. But I do believe this will break out and go into price discovery, and you are looking at a 20, 30x, maybe even more potential on Dog with Hat. Next up, we have Bozo Hybrid, also on Solana, and this chart looks like complete shit. It really does. I'm not gonna sugarcoat this for you. The chart on the monthly looks like shit, but Bozo Hybrid, we talked about when it first came out, 3 days or 4 days after it first came out, is doing something unique. It did come up with a new technology, an innovative technology which other projects are using right now, and I do think it's gonna make a comeback. And if it does, because it's so low right now, it's an excellent opportunity to get in. And if you look at the old chart here, you will see it's now actually trying to establish support right here at key levels. Now, if it goes under this, it's gonna be extremely hard for it to go back up. But if this works out and it does actually challenge all-time highs, which I do believe it might do, I mean, it's only 27% down from its all-time highs, I actually think this can go into blue sky breakout and price discovery. Yes, it's a long shot. Yes, it's a risk. But what you're trying to do, you're trying to establish a portfolio with a venture capitalist attitude, so you don't have to be on top of it all the time. You can look at it again at the end of the bull market, or if you make substantial amounts of profits during this time until the top of the bull market, take profits out. And these are not the kind of coins you have to be on top of all of the time, if that makes sense. You have your blue chips, your mid caps, and your low high risk caps, but you can actually get exposed to these coins and not worry too much about them. Just make sure it's not a big part of your general crypto portfolio. Don't put like half your assets into it. Don't go all in. Don't bet the farm. Don't take any loans out and get into meme coins. Maybe it's 5-10% of your overall portfolio. Does that make sense? Let's not be complete degens here. And finally, we have Popcat on Sol again. Now, this one is a risky play, but this one can break out and actually do massive moves. On the monthly here, it looks like it's going up, just waiting for meme season, just waiting for meme mania, so it can break out here. And if you go to the old chart, you'll see that it's very, very close to all-time highs. And if it breaks out, it's blue sky breakout and price discovery. Now, again, you have to be responsible with meme coins, and these are the only meme coins I'm holding long-term as a 40-plus-year-old. I'm actually 47 years old. Now, I do trade in and out of meme coins. That's different. These are just a longer swing trade or huddle positions, if you will, for this bull market. The only coin you want to hold long-term, in my opinion, would be Doge. Everything else, take profits fast, get out fast, or when it makes sense, take those profits, put them into Bitcoin, buy that Ferrari if it comes to that, and make sure you don't lose your family, your kids, your wife by irresponsibly gambling on meme coins, which literally have no utility. Now, if you are over 40 years old, you need to have a crypto portfolio that can make you massive amounts of profits, but also protect you so you can be a little bit more responsible. So you want to take that risk, you want to get those massive gains, but you also want a crypto portfolio that will protect you and just make you gains at the same time if this doesn't work out. And if you want to do that, make sure you watch this video right here. It's one of the most important videos to watch if you are over 40 years old and into crypto. So make sure you check this video out, and I'll see you in the next video.